morning everyone present out here. I am Anubhav Dahal, a student of class 6A and member of Sapphire house is going to recite the poem. The title of my poem is Slow Motion is Now So Rare by Santani Govindal. A snail comes to a tortoise saying, "What is your speed, Karana?" The tortoise answered, "Oh, not much. I'm one tortoise power." "But didn't you?" the snail remarked. "Must be the little hair?" "Not I," the modest tortoise said. "Great-grandpa was late. You see, when the hare went off to sleep, Great-grandpa was gone. And while the hare slept, our old man just kept on going on." "I see," the snail at length replied. "I was Captain Bird. Don't you think if I tried such a risk and he that man is here?" The tortoise smiled and shook his head. "Time had vastly changed. Great-grandpa had a lot of luck. Things are now not so arranged. The brown sporting folks would come and keep the hare away. So what will